Okay, for this video we're going to look at graphing linear equations. And the first one we have is y equals 2/3 x minus 4. Now remember, if it's in that form, that's in the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So my slope is 2/3, my y-intercept is -4. So let's just start with the y-intercept, which is down 1, 2, 3, 4. So my y-intercept is going to be located at 0, comma, -4. Now, because my slope is 2 over 3, that's the rise over the run, so I go up 2, so go up 1, 2 over 3, 1, 2, 3, and that would be enough to actually make my line. So I just connect the line and go kind of like that. Now they are asking about the x-intercept as well. That's where it crosses the x-axis at. I could kind of guess that it would be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but to make sure that that's the case, I would replace the y with a 0. So I'd say 0 equals 2/3 x minus 4. Then I would add 4 to both sides. So 4 is 2/3 x, multiply by the reciprocal. So I take 3/2 of 4, and then I do indeed get 6. So my x-intercept is located at 6, 0. My y-intercept is 0, -4. And there's my line with a slope equal to 2/3. The next example, it says graph and label the line. Again, it's in slope-intercept form, so my slope is -3, which is the same thing as -3 over 1. And then my y-intercept this time is equal to 4. So it crosses at 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my point. And now I go down 3, 1, 2, 3 over 1. And then I'm going to sketch my line from that. Okay. Now, if I wanted to, I know that this point up here is 0, 4. If I want to get the x-intercept, I would put 0 in for y again. So it's -3x plus 4. Now I'm solving for x by subtracting 4. So I get -4 is -3x. Divide by my -3. So x becomes 4/3. So this point right here should be at 4/3, 0. That's my x-intercept. And the slope of this line is -3. Now the last one that we have is a line. It's a linear equation, but it's written in standard form, 5x plus 2y equals 10. So for this one, it might be best to get the x and y-intercept first. So to come up with my x-intercept, I'm simply going to put y to be equal to 0. So I'm going to replace the y to be 0, so that gets me 5x equals 10. Divide by 5. So I find out that x would have to equal 2. So my x-intercept is located at 2, 0. I plot that point. Then I look for the y-intercept. So for the y-intercept, I set x equal to 0. So that would get me 2y is equal to 10, divided by 2, so y would have to equal 5. So it's 0, 5 would be my y-intercept. So I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a point. Now I take out my ruler and I connect the line, and there we go. Now with this method, we've already identified the y-intercept and the x-intercept. We have the sketch of the graph. We know that if you wanted to know the slope, okay, you could just go from one point to the other point and say it's gone down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's like a -5 and over 2. So the slope of this line is -5 over 2. There we go. So there's a little bit about graphing lines.